This is Alex, Off-Leash Canine Training. And today I have my newest board and train. This is Kane. Kane is the 2-year-old German Shepherd. Kane is here because he does have some puppy behavior still. He jumps, he nips in the face, nips anywhere. Reactive. Doesn't like tools, doesn't like power tools, doesn't like cars. Pulls on the leash super hard. Just pulled his mom to the ground, dragged her, pulled his dad to the ground. Just the whole nine when it comes to just being disobedient. Yeah, that's pretty much the gist of it. But really, mom has a hard time walking him. She feels bad that she can't walk him, and that's kind of the main thing. He's here to work on some of his manners and to learn how to walk and not to be a butthead. But let's just jump right in and let's see what he does to start. Kane, sit. Okay. Heel. All right. He's kind of following him. He's kind of doing what he wants to do. You gotta lay down. No. Okay. So really not a lot of anything here, and that's okay. Check back shortly. See what we can make of it. Bye.
I'm Monica and Kenny Massey, and this is our dog Kane. He's 2 years old, a very active German Shepherd. We had tried having a trainer come to our house, did not work. She didn't even want to take him outside with me. And we came to off-leash canine training, and Alex was his trainer. He even came and picked him up for us. We live in Williamsburg, and he was all the way out in Norfolk. Took him, and 2 days before he was supposed to come home, he got sick. And he had to come home, and he was home for about, 2 weeks, 3 weeks? And we were afraid that the program wasn't going to work because he only had 2 days left. And Alex told us that he would work with him, and when we came to get him today, he knew all his commands, he knew everything that he was supposed to know. He turned him around really quick in just 4 days. He was able to get him back on track. I have confidence that he's going to be able to do this. All I really wanted out of this was just to be able to walk him, and I know that I'm going to be able to do that. And I highly recommend off-leash canine training. Thank you, Alex.
Hey guys, Josh Wilson with Off Leash Canine Training. I hope you enjoyed another amazing dog put out by my team. Across the country, we don't care about the breed, the size, the age, or the behavioral issue. We're going to make them awesome for you. If you're interested in seeing more videos like the one you just saw, click the image here on the screen. Also, I'd encourage you to check us out on Instagram and Facebook. And before you leave our channel, make sure you subscribe. So every time a new video comes up of another outstanding dog doing some crazy, amazing things, you're going to get notified in your email address. And for more information on other locations we have around the country, check us out at joshwilson.dog. Appreciate you so much for watching our channel. See you soon.